Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazamuridi and in this video I'm planning to teach you about the break and continue in the Dart. What exactly is break? As you see, if I write break in the Dart compiler in the Dart.dev, the Dart compiler would understand this stuff. So it know that break is part of the code. So uh, because of that, it understands it is part of our, so it's a keyword in the Dart. What exactly break do? Actually break stop the for loop if the condition was met. So if I call break anytime in the uh, loop, it will cause the whole loop would be stopped. So you should understand that breakpoint break could be used to stop the block. So if I run this code, you will see that let's wait. You will see when the I meets 5, as it was I written in the condition. If this condition meets, I create a write if condition. So only if I is equal to 5, this for loop break. But if I actually uh, make it make the break outside of block, you will see that none of this code works because actually this function, this loops break before even printing the value I. So should be careful when you are using break keyword. It is useful for any type of loops, while loop, for loop, do while loop, and it's very useful for loops. In the past, we used break in the switch cases. So we use it to break switch cases. So when I write change this number of mine, for example, to 12, you'll see that it will show the sender. So we use this break in the past for switch cases, which means that if the condition case one met, you should be the condition should not be continue at all. So you need to stop the. It is like exactly same as loops. So it would check the cases. If the condition, for example, case 5 is true, then do this. If case 6 is true, do this. If you don't write breaks, it will check the other cases until the last one. Okay, so you need to be careful about breaks. We also have another keyword called continue. What exactly do continue does? Actually, continue is a keyword used to skip a certain loops. For example, if the number is I is equal to 5, then you should not do the next part at all. So you need to go to the next. For example, you need to go to the I is equal to 6. Okay, so it would skip the part that is I equal to 5. It's very super useful when we do a stuff like in for loops. And if I run this code, you will see that we do not have an I equal to 5. So we do not have 5 in this part because 5 was continued or skipped from the loops. And you should be very careful for loops other than 4, because if there was a loop and I was not uh, increased by 1, because this thing would cause this to skip. Okay, so one I won't be increased in the loops, and because of that the I plus plus doesn't work, so it caused infinite loop for it. So you must be very careful if sometimes you should be add this I plus plus before that and also outside of that. So if the condition was met, then the I should be increased. But because it is simplified version of 4, which is comes from C, the bug doesn't happen in here. But sometimes for while loops or do while or for loops, it make cause some problems over there. So you must be very careful. I think that's enough for break and continue keywords. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.